DePIN as a sector of Web3 or a blockchain is relatively new. The term DePIN is less than 2 years old. And at Havelo, we really saw this as a major opportunity to try and take DePIN to the mass market.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Dominic Carosa. He is the chairman of Blockmate Ventures and also Havelo. And Dominic, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Fantastic. And thanks for having me, Steve.
Yeah, exciting news out from Havelo talking about a partnership with XYO. And this is a large decentralized physical infrastructure network, which is what we'll sort of explain to everyone. So tell me a little bit about this particular partnership. It's an exciting one.
So XYO is one of the largest DePINs. DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. And so I'll get into a bit more detail. And so we've signed a partnership deal, particularly focused on the African and Asian marketplaces. Ultimately, it's just giving Havelo more reach, more access to customers, and we're going to be working together on proactively promoting both companies.
Yeah, tell me a bit about DePIN and just about the size of this company you're partnering with. As you mentioned, they are very large.
Yeah, absolutely. In terms of DePIN, is a way that people can share their computer resources and get paid for it. And so the whole premise of Havelo, which is a DePIN aggregator, is that think of it as the Airbnb for your computer. So on Airbnb, you rent out your house, you rent out your room, and you get paid for it. So people are actually got computers, many computers laying around. They can install Havelo and share their computer resources and get paid, whether it's in tokens, stable coins, or cash in the bank. So it's basically earning passive income from your laptop or desktop.
Yeah, so XYO has about 8 million nodes operating in 150 countries. So how as you mentioned, it just adds to the reach, and you've centered out an app as well. So it seems like this is a really strong partnership for Havelo.
Absolutely. So we're going to be looking at both integration, so technical integration, as well as marketing. So effectively getting Havelo out to a much larger global audience. We see tremendous opportunities in emerging markets. And we know there are tens of millions of computers out there that could be effectively turned on, building this decentralized network, and people actually sharing the rewards, getting paid to share their computer resources.
And the one thing about this is, especially because it's passive income, there's a lot of people out there who are looking for something like this, where just by turning on the computer, as you say, they're able to create something to help themselves or the family, whatever it is. It sounds like this is really starting to gain some really strong momentum there, Dominic.
Yeah, DePIN as a sector of Web3 or a blockchain is relatively new. The term DePIN is less than 2 years old. And at Havelo, we really saw this as a major opportunity to try and take DePIN to the mass market. And the way that we've built our application is you don't need to be a crypto expert or a nerd like myself to use it. You can literally point and click, install it, and then basically start earning directly.
And it really is a strong partnership you put together here with XYO. Dominic, thank you so much. Good update and good to see you as well.
Thanks, Steve.
All right, there's Dominic Carosa. He is the chairman of both Havelo and Blockmate Ventures.